Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You should already have your Roblox account and currency ready. Once done, launch the specific game that drops dark glasses. Move directly to the spawn area and open the map or event panel to locate the shop or NPC vendor. This saves time. Make sure to enable chat and the in-game menu so you can track timers and announcements. If the game requires joining a specific server or team, switch now. Doing this first prevents backtracking and missed limited drops. Once you reach the vendor area, inspect the item description so you know whether purchase, quest completion, or a minigame is required. Follow the listed tasks, complete 1 to 3 mini-objectives or play the challenge. These often reward a token or direct purchase option. If the item requires tokens, keep an eye on spawn locations and timers and collect immediately. Make sure to use available boosts or team up when challenges are timed. Cooperating speeds up drops and reduces failed attempts. You should claim the Dart glasses into your inventory and then equip them via avatar accessories. Apply and view in first person to confirm fit. If you don't see them immediately, relog or switch servers. This forces the client to refresh item data. Make sure the purchase or token transaction completed. Check recent transactions and the game's reward log. If problems persist, verify you're on the correct game server and contact the developer or use the trade-in box for recovery steps. This fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.